Ngayon, pagbalik dito, pahinga ng konti, we met naman another potential partner is into real estate, si Mr. Saad. Pin-introduce siya sa amin ni Ambassador Abdulaziz. He's more into real estate industry from another part, not in Riyadh, industrial area, the biggest industrial in the whole Saudi Arabia. And yung family nila owns one of the banks here. And he's very interested dun sa manpower natin. So we'll be, as I've told you, magtatayo tayo ng manpower company in the Philippines and here. So we will provide skilled workers, different kind of discipline in areas of mga workers. Malaki ang magiging opportunity natin dito sa manpower because of the Expo 2030 of MBS, the Crown Prince. Sa dami ng gagawin nilang projects dito, infrastructure, kailangan po nila additional manpower. Usually, ang population nila dito maliit lang. Usually, they get workers from India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Egypt. Yan, dyan sila, and Philippines. So, mas mabibigyan natin opportunities sa atin mga kababayan na mapunta dito sa Saudi Arabia. At least dito maganda yung pay, tsaka yung benefits dito maganda. So, tsaka yung security dito talaga sila ng management. Tayo mga Filipino, magiging partner natin doon sa vision ng Crown Prince na maging one of the greatest countries itong Saudi Arabia because of their development na gagawin and vision niya for 2030. So mga ka-pips, now, pahinga naman. We're going to the mall. Nakakain tayo at mamimili ng kung ano-ano. Mamaya, we're preparing to sleep early after this because my kids and my nephews going back to the Philippines, mauna sila. Tapos kami, we're going back to the Philippines na mamayang 6 a.m. So, see you in the Philippines mga ka-pips. I love you. Yun, nag-dinner kami sa mall, sama natin yung mga partners. Nag-Chinese food naman kami. Medyo masyado ng everyday na Arabic food. So we tried Chinese naman, maiba naman. Fusion Chinese Thai. So sarap din. And during while we were eating, dumating yung isang magiging partner natin. Magtatayo ng factory dito para sa mga naval drones. So may technology tayo, kasama natin yung mga tao natin sa Prodigy AI, tsaka Hive. So our engineers are coming here. Maglalagay tayong factory dito. Mag-construct tayo, mag-manufacture tayo ng naval drones sa sinasabi nila. Yung mga leader maps natin, leader drones natin, co-convert natin dun sa naval drones na according to our engineers, kaya naman gawin. Tapos ammunition, they need ammunition here, armed forces. So that's another opportunity. Kakausapin natin yung local manufacturer natin, Arms Corps. They can provide the submitted ammunition for the Saudi Armed Forces. Kanina, makikita nyo na, we met one of the biggest realtors here, real estate companies here, and owner ng bank, si Mr. Saad. So he's offering to be one of our partners also when it comes to real estate. Doon lang siya sa real estate factor. So he wants to partner with us doon sa mga properties dito sa Riyadh. Magtatayo tayo ng mga buildings using our building information management technology that we brought here, yung Prodigy AE, ID, and Hive. So we're very happy for all the results, and this is our last night here, mga ka-pips. Alam mo si God, hindi mo alam kung ano talaga yung mga blessings na ibibigay niya. Kaya yung mga nabigay na blessings sa amin pupunta namin dito is more than we expected. So thank you God for giving us the opportunity to have successful transactions here and negotiations and new big partners that are known here in Saudi Arabia. and respected from big prominent families in this kingdom. Not only that, we will open up a manpower here that will provide the factories here and the construction companies here with professional workers and technical experts, engineers, geologists, beam experts. So, ang maganda nito, mga kapips, tayo magiging pioneer dito ng BIM kasama si Engineer Abu Bakar because bago pa lang sa kanila dito eh. So, ganda ng opportunity dito kasi ang infrastructure dito hanggang 2013, Expo 2013 nila and yung Vision 2030 ni MBS or ng Crown Prince, wow, you wouldn't imagine how beautiful Riyadh will be when it comes to 2030. Yung mga pag natapos na yung mga kinoconstruct dito, mawala ka lang dito ng mga 2-3 months, makikita mo, pagbalik mo, may nagawa na ng mga buildings na bago eh. So, ang bilis nila gumawa. Well, with the help of BIM, Build Information Management that we have in the Philippines and our group, bibilis na yon. Tapos magiging cost-effective pa, bababa yung mga ano nila. And they're very happy that we introduced that to them, especially with our main partner, which is Build Industrial Corporation and Ladun. So mga kapip, see you mamaya sa airport. So we're going home. Tutulog lang kami ng konti. I love you guys. Good night.